Abhiyan. Poshan Abhiyan, also known as National Nutrition Mission (NNM), was launched in 2018 by the Government of India to tackle the malnutrition problem prevalent in India. The chief objective of this mission is to reduce undernutrition and enhance the nutritional status of children in our country. The mission aims at removing malnutrition from our country by 2022. Poshan Abhiyan is India's flagship scheme for the nutritional outcomes of lactating mothers, pregnant women, children and adolescents. The specific target of this mission is to reduce stunting, anemia, undernutrition and low birth weight. Thank you.
Malnutrition. What is malnutrition? A malnutrition is a serious condition that happens when our diet does not contain the right amount of nutrients. It means poor nutrition. This can lead us to undernutrition, having less amount of nutrients, or overnutrition, having nutrients than we needed, preventing malnutrition. The best way to prevent malnutrition is to eat healthy foods and balanced diet. You have to eat healthy foods from the main food groups, including plenty of fruits and vegetables, plenty of starch food like bread, rice, etc. Some dairy products and milk or non-dairy alternatives. Some sources of proteins like egg, fish, meat, etc.
Eating a balanced diet. Eating a healthy, balanced diet is an important part of maintaining good health and can help you feel your best. This means eating a wide variety of foods in the right proportions and consuming the right amount of food and drink to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight. Food groups in your diet. The Eat Well guide shows that to have a healthy, balanced diet, people should try to eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. Base meals on higher fiber starchy foods like potato, bread, rice and pasta. Have some dairy or dairy alternatives like soya drinks. Eat some beans, pulses, fishes, eggs, meat and other protein. Choose unsalted oils and spreads and eat them in small amounts. Drink plenty of fluids, at least 6 to 8 times in a day. If you are having foods and drinks that are high in fat, salt and sugar, have these less often and in small amounts. Try to choose a variety of different foods from the 5 main food groups to get a wide range of nutrients.
Maintaining a healthy diet during COVID-19 pandemic. Eat the right kinds of foods in the right amount is very crucial for our health. COVID-19 pandemic has changed a lot of daily life of people. During this difficult time, it has become essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle. While no food or dietary supplements can prevent COVID-19 infections, but by maintaining healthy diet, we can keep our immune system strong for fighting the disease. Tips for maintaining healthy diet. First, eat a variety of foods. Second, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Third, keep salt intake to less than 5 grams per day, approximately 1 tablespoon. Fourth, eat moderate amount of healthy fat and oils. Fifth, limit sugar intake. Sixth, drink enough water and stay hydrated. Seventh, avoid hazard and harmful alcohol to use. 8. Continue to practice good food hygiene.
Good morning. Do you know why healthy food is better than junk food? Priyal, can you tell us what is junk food? Yes, why not this? Junk food. Junk food has empty calories, fat and sugar. Packaged food like candy and candy soda. Restaurant menu food like pizza and burger. Darsh, can you tell us what is healthy food? Yes, healthy food refers to fresh and natural products such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains and good fats that deliver your body with essential nutrients. Healthy food combats sickness and keep the disease away. Smoking
of the healthy food include apples, green vegetables, banana, oatmeal, eggs, meat, milk and milk products, etc.
Darsh, let us see a video to know more about healthy food and junk food.
Thank you.
The kid next door. What are healthy food? Let's find out. Healthy food, who are you?
I am the one that is good for you. I make you grow tall and strong and give you energy all day long.
Then what is junk food? Let's ask about it. Junk food, who are you?
I am the one that is bad for you. I make you weak and very sick. You become lazy and are no more quick.
Once again, please. Healthy food, who are you?
I am the one that is good for you. I make you grow tall and strong and give you energy all day long.
Junk food, who are you?
I am the one that is bad for you. I make you weak and very sick. You become lazy and are no more quick.
Good morning, students. The Poshan Abhiyan was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 8 March 2018 in Rajasthan. The Poshan Abhiyan aims to make India a malnutrition-free country by 2022. Today, in 2021, India is not just fighting against COVID-19, but is also battling the existing undernutrition in the country. The Abhiyan aims to reduce stunting in children from 38.4% to 25% by 2022. Since 2018, every year the Poshan Ma is celebrated during September month under the Poshan Abhiyan, which is also known as the National Nutrition Mission. This year, as the country celebrates the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Women and Child Development Ministry has planned a thematic approach to celebrate Poshan Ma in September 2021. So dear children, we must understand the importance of food. We should value what God has given to us. Food is one of the third most important necessity to survive in this world after air and water. There are so many people who die every day due to lack of nutritious food. We should not waste food. We should donate food to the underprivileged people. Like our students have taken the initiative and donated 150 food packets to the nearby villages. Therefore, I request you all children to donate food to the underprivileged people and do not waste food. Take a balanced diet to fight against COVID-19 and other such diseases. Thank you so much.